Next we will come to the sum. Means the chapter 1 sum is profit and loss appropriation account. So this is a specimen format for profit and loss appropriation account. So what we'll do here, we'll create a format like this. It's just a ledger format what we have already done in your class 11. The same format means a particulars amount rupees, same particulars amount rupees, and the heading will be profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. Whatever the year ended will be, you will write that, and the left hand side will be your debit side and the right hand side will be your credit side. So what we'll do here, we'll just follow the expenditure part of the partnership account on the debit side and the income part of the partnership account on the credit side. So what we'll write in the debit side is the salaries, whatever salary is given to the respective partner. Suppose the partner name is ABC. So whatever they are getting, we are writing here in the inner column. After that we are adding the part and we are putting outside the outer column. Same will follow with interest on capital. Whatever interest on capital is being given in their partnership deed, we will follow the same instructions as given in their deed. So again we will take out the things and we'll just add it up and we'll write it on the outer column. Same we'll do with some extra things also. It can be bonus also there in the sum, that the partners are getting bonus for something. So again we'll write that ABC is getting so and so bonus, and again we are writing the bonus part and just again we are adding it up and writing the total part outside. Now come to the credit side. The credit side is the first part is by net profit BD. Net profit BD means already they have prepared a profit and loss account earlier. Now they are further deducting something what they haven't deducted earlier. So that partnership, so that profit and loss account, now we are getting that amount. So from that profit we will further deduct some more adjustments like these. Same ways, if they are getting interest on drawings, if they are paying interest on drawings to the business, then we will take out the interest on drawings. Whatever they are drawing, whatever they are withdrawing from the organization, they need to pay some certain interest on it. So again we will put the same as ABC and we'll put the amount in the inner column. Then again we'll add it up and submit it the outside column. And same, and after preparing that we will just total it. We'll total the debit side and we'll total the credit side, and we'll see first that which side is heavier. Suppose the credit side is heavier. So normally what we do, whatever side is heavier, we will deduct the lesser side. So same way, if the credit side is heavier, we will deduct the debit side and we'll get an amount something like this over here. So that means that is the profit to the partnership account. Same ways, if it happens like the debit side is heavier than the credit side, so just the reverse effect will be happening here. We will take out the amount here and that will be the loss of the organization. So the loss of the organization means we will write like this as share of loss, same as we have written here as share of profit. So here we can end the format of this. So this is the overall format of profit and loss appropriation account in partnership account. So same way we will prepare few sums in future. So those videos are also will be uploaded. Thank you.